Hi students, today we are discussing about a very interesting topic in the magnetism matter chapter is about Earth's magnetism. Okay, this is the branch of physics which deals with the Earth magnetic field at any point. Okay, this is also named as terrestrial magnetism. About this Earth magnetism, in 1600 AD, Sir William Gilbert suggested that Earth has itself behaves like a huge bar magnet. He suggested that Earth is behaves like a huge bar magnet. Okay, and some facts which supports the Earth magnetism. Let us see what are the facts which supports the Earth magnetism. We know when a compass needle is suspended freely, for suppose if you take this one as a compass needle, it is suspended freely, then it is always comes to rest in the north and south directions. Okay, thus is always supports the earth has certain magnetism. And secondly, if you take a bar magnet, and around the bar magnet, if you draw certain magnetic field lines, we know the magnetic field lines always starts from north to south outside the magnet and inside the magnet from south to north. Okay, so here the magnetic field lines are like this. Okay, now around the bar magnet there is some existence of neutral points are observed. What are these? These are called neutral points. Sir, what are the neutral points? Neutral points are the positions at which the net magnetic field induction is always equal to the zero. The positions at which net magnetic field induction is always equal to the zero. Okay, so these points are observed within the field of the bar magnet. I take only one magnet now. That means due to this bar magnet at this neutral point, the magnetic field will be exist in one direction. For suppose this is the direction of the magnetic field due to this bar magnet at this position. Then how it is possible the net value is 0? The reason behind that earth magnetic field which is acting exactly in opposite direction to the B bar produced by the bar magnet, and this earth magnetic field is neutralizes the magnetic field due to the bar magnet. Now both are having the equal in magnitude in opposite direction now. That's why B net is becomes equal to the 0. So this is the another fact which supports the earth magnetism. Understand? Let us see what are the facts. So the first one, freely suspended bar magnet always comes to rest in the north-south direction. And the second one, the existence of the neutral points when we draw the field lines of a bar magnet. Understand? These are the facts supporting the earth magnetism. Now let us see what is the cause of earth magnetism. Now the first cause is inside the earth the temperature is very high. Okay, and Earth's core contains more number of conducting materials like nickel, cobalt, iron, etc., which are in the molten state. Molten state means they are in the fluid form. Okay, now we know the earth is always rotates itself. Due to the rotation of the earth, all these fluid particles are also in motion. Whenever they are in motion, they always produces the conventional current. Okay, and we know around the current carrying conductor there is always produces the magnetism now. So these conventional currents resulting the magnetism, that magnetic field is called as Earth's magnetic field. Okay, what is the one of the cause? At interior of the earth the temperature is very high and the earth core contains some conducting materials like iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. And these conducting materials which are in the molten state, due to rotation of the earth, these fluid forms also it is in motion and which creates a conventional current. That conventional current produces the magnetic field. Understand? This is the one of the cause. And the second cause is at poles, sun rays ionize the gas atoms which are present in the upper layers of the atmosphere. Okay, now due to rotation of earth, due to rotation of earth, these ionized gas atoms also rotates. Whenever ionized gas atoms are rotates, they creates a very strong electric field. Around the strong electric field always it generates a magnetic field. That magnetic field is called as again earth magnetic field. So this is the second cause for earth magnetism. Okay, so what happens on second case? At poles, particularly at poles region, sun rays which are ionized the gas atoms, due to rotation of the earth these ionized gas atoms also rotates. So whenever ions are rotate, they creates a very strong electric field. Due to the strong electric field the resistance of the magnetism. And if you saw at places like Canada, Greenland, and Alaska, at night time we are observing some very beautiful and bright color patches of light will be appears. Those are named as aurora. Okay, these are mainly due to the earth magnetic field. These are the certain patches of the bright colorful lights of aurora. See, different colors are appear on the sky now. Different colors, verify. Are you observe? These are called as aurora borealis. This is due to the earth magnetic field and you observe at the night time at particular places of Canada, Greenland and Alaska even now also. Understand?